In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the address bar in Google Chrome. This can be really handy if you're looking to maximize your browser's screen space, perhaps for a more immersive browsing experience, or to focus solely on the content of a web page. Whether you're giving a presentation or just prefer a cleaner look while surfing the internet, removing the distraction of toolbars can be a real game changer. Let's start with the quickest and perhaps the simplest method. If you're using a Windows computer, all you need to do is press F11 on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly turns your Chrome window into a full-screen display mode. What this does is hide the address bar along with other browser toolbars, effectively allowing the web page alone to occupy your entire screen. This not only provides a distraction-free view, but also makes every pixel of your screen work for you. Remember, you'll still have access to any active tabs and can navigate between them if needed, all while in full screen mode. Now, in case you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts, or if you're just more comfortable using the mouse, there's an alternate way to achieve the same effect. In the upper right corner of your Chrome browser, you'll see 3 vertical dots. That's your menu button. Clicking on these dots will open up a drop-down menu. From there, look for the option labeled Full Screen and give it a click. Just like the F11 key, this menu option will make Chrome go full screen too, hiding the address bar as well as any other toolbars. This method is perfect if you prefer navigating your options with the mouse, or if you often forget key combinations. And what if you want to exit this full screen mode? Maybe you've absorbed everything you needed, or those toolbars suddenly seem useful again. It's just as straightforward. You can either press the ESC key on your keyboard, which is conveniently located in the upper left corner, or you can use F11 again on Windows to toggle back to your standard view. In just a tap, you'll have your address bar and toolbars back, ready for use. So there you have it, different ways to hide the address bar in Google Chrome, allowing you to enjoy a more expansive and focused browsing experience. Whether you're using shortcuts or the menu options, these techniques are indeed simple yet highly effective. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy exploring the web with a clutter-free view.